4G63 has seen better days, but this is pretty standard for a car with 98,000 miles. And today, I'm going to see if it's easy enough to clean. What's up, crew? Welcome to Prjct.Garage. After a few videos online, I now believe it's straightforward enough to clean King Kong. And yes, I'm starting this movement. From this moment forward, the 4G63 shall now be known as King Kong, King Kong. I got King Kong under the hood. So I'm heading out for a quick drive to warm the engine up. I saw this trick on a video from Vin not too long ago. Get the engine warmed up so that the degreasing process goes a little smoother. Of course, go for a drive, let it cool down a lot more than operating temp because you don't want to warp anything in there, but at least keep it warm enough to where it just falls off easier when you go to do the little brushy brush. And I mean, why not just take it to the car wash in general and give the outside a spray, because this thing hasn't been sprayed in a while. So I figured kill two birds with one stone, get it warm, get it washed on the outside too, and then we'll hit the engine bay with some Dawn soap is what we're going to be trying today. Oh yeah, I do have an Evo. So for the rest of this video, I'm going to do voiceover and I'm going to keep it brief, but I figured I'd throw in a couple tidbits here and there as I go through the process. You really just have three main steps. One is engine prep. You want to make sure that certain sensitive items are covered, mainly like the alternator, any open fuses, or electrical stuff that's fairly open. You want to unplug the battery as well. That's just a major shocker there. But and if you have a battery relocate like I do, it makes it a little bit easier. All I'm going to do is put a gallon-sized bag around that relocation kit and then throw a rubber band around the bottom of it so that it is covered and protected. Step two is to hit it with the foam. Now, I saw this online as well. I'm just going to use regular old Dawn soap. This stuff is a great degreaser, and it's cheap. You can get it anywhere. We'll find out today whether or not you need to go with Chemical Guys or some other name brand who claims that their soap is superior. But I've used Dawn soap for a couple of other things to clean them up, and it works fabulously. Not fabulosely, but fabulously. Step three, grab a small brush. I bought these off of Amazon, links down below. You want a couple different sizes, I would imagine. You want something big to hit big surfaces, and then something super small so that you can get into the grooves in between areas that are hard to reach. This is really just an agitation, something to help break up any surface residues, especially in those small spaces. Step four, you're just gonna rinse it off. I don't have a pressure sprayer, and to be honest, I don't really want to hit it with high pressure anyways. So I'm gonna use a regular old hose head, and I'm gonna turn that to a sort of misting spray so that it's really gently hitting all the soaked area. And once you're done rinsing it, you can obviously let it just sit and dry. We're in a pretty hot time of year, so it should be able to dry on its own. Or you can hit it with a leaf blower or one of those hand-operated blowers. I need to buy one of those things. Then step five, admire your work. Does it look amazing? Did you expose other issues instead of making it look amazing? We'll find out, I guess. How's that doing it? Something tells me this Evo, this King Kong, has been overheated before. Hopefully no top end work that was unannounced, because there's just a lot of white. And I remember having that white when I blew the head gasket of the E36. Well, not the worst. Could have been better. To be honest, I kind of wish it came out a little bit better. But overall, I'd say it's mostly a success. Like I said on the drive, Let's see if it cleans the engine bay or exposes worse things, which I wouldn't say there's too much exposed, but the valve cover definitely is 98,000 miles looking. Now that it's cleaner, it still looks pretty rough. I think I've pointed out before that, and I think this is just totally normal because it's right above the headers. Right in the front of that valve cover is just super discolored. Kind of looks like it's ready to chip off. There's actually a little ding on top. The intake pipe is super scuffed up, which I'm assuming that means it's a used kit, or they just mishandled the hell out of it when they installed it. But it just feels like somebody installed it, took it out, put it in a box, sold it, and then the person who bought it put it in, and it's just all scuffed up from being moved around a bunch. And then a bunch of the plastic is super faded, like the mass airflow sensor that needs some plastic dressing, which I'm gonna throw some on, see if it works. I think I have some laying around. And yeah, I mean, it's an old engine bay. In order to make it look extra clean, I think I gotta go a little deeper. I did do just a really quick light foam. Again, like I was saying in the car, let's see if we need brand name or if Dawn soap works. I saw a short where the Dawn soap worked. It looked a lot better foam-wise, so maybe my foam cannon isn't amazing. I'd love to say it's amazing. If you'd still like to try it out, it's linked down in the description. Those are affiliate links. They do help out the channel. Small commission, but hey, everything helps. But overall, I think it's all right. I'll pop the hood open for the next meet. I'm not sure when that next meet is anyways, but yeah, I'll pop the hood. Let's show this thing off. Next up, under the hood, for sure, I'm pretty sure. It's pretty for sure. I'm gonna get some headers. I was talking to somebody on TikTok. They have a set of headers that I might buy from them, but it depends. Kind of like the look of that, but I also love the look of the BSF headers, where it has a bit more of a snaky, intertwined tubular headers. The ones he offered have like two from the middle coming up and over, and then the others from the outer side coming around, which looks pretty cool too, but I think I like the lack of symmetry in the, I'm pretty sure it's BSF. A lot more expensive of an option. He basically offered me an amount plus getting it Cerakoted would actually be cheaper than buying the BSF kit. So we'll see. What do you think I should get? But with that said, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're new to the channel, join the crew. By subscribing today, you will enter to win our first of many giveaways. On this channel, we are going to have a series of giveaways that are very garage based and not car based, because car giveaways are saturated. We want to help viewers like you make the Prjct Garage of your dreams. And we're going to start small. As we grow bigger as a channel, we'll get bigger and bigger giveaways. But for now, it's a Daytona jack and 4 jack stands, and throwing in some Icon wrenches to sweeten that deal. Or you can choose a tool credit equivalent at Harbor Freight. But once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we pick a winner and we move on to the next one. And if you're not new, you know what to do. Hit the like button, leave a comment, share this video. Those are the ways that help grow the crew. And until the next one, I'll see you later, crew. Oh, go spend some money on that money pit.
I think I got a vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them. All of those times getting severed. I told them all I get let up. They get not tired of me never. Give me a shot and I swear I shoot like Berettas.